SpaceX's remarkable feat, the intricacies of Starship to Starship propellant transfer. Space exploration is changing. Companies like SpaceX are reshaping our understanding of the final frontier. Enter the Starship, SpaceX's dynamic spacecraft designed to ferry humans to Mars. Its success hinges on mastering an art form, propellant transfer. The process involves two starships in space. One will fuel the other, ensuring the latter has enough energy for the risky journey ahead. But why is this necessary? Starship requires a colossal amount of fuel for a Mars mission, more than it can carry from Earth. The undertaking is delicate. A minor mishap could cause catastrophic damage. Safety and precision are paramount in this celestial fuel station. SpaceX's groundbreaking efforts will redefine space travel. The Starship's propellant transfer is a cornerstone of this new era. Witness the evolution of interplanetary travel. SpaceX's Starship will take us there, one propellant transfer at a time.